Hi guys, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of quality on the application of Pinterest. You will go to settings. In this page you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. Then we click in this window of Pinterest. Here in this page of app info we click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache, but pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account. Then we go to Play Store. You will search about Pinterest. Here you can uninstall your app and you can install it again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your watching and your attention.